Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring both devices are ready. Update iPhone and Apple Watch, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and confirm battery is sufficient. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open the Watch app. You'll see a prompt to start pairing. Hold the Apple Watch close to the iPhone so the devices can detect each other. You do this first because automatic discovery speeds the process and prevents manual pairing mistakes. Follow the on-screen prompt to continue. The camera method appears next and is the fastest way to pair. You'll now use the iPhone camera to scan the animated pattern on the watch face, which authenticates pairing quickly and securely. Once paired, choose Restore from Backup to transfer apps and data or Set up as new to start fresh. Make that decision based on whether you need previous settings. Afterward, select Wrist Preference and create a passcode to protect Apple Pay and health data. Finally, enable Apple ID syncing and choose Cellular if your watch supports it. These choices determine what data and services sync next. You finish by letting the iPhone and watch complete the background sync. Depending on app size and network, expect 10 to 30 minutes. While that runs, open the Watch app to arrange apps, pick watch faces, and double-check notification settings so your daily flow is ready. Test a call and an iMessage to confirm connectivity. If something goes wrong, restart both devices first. If pairing still fails, turn off Bluetooth, reset network settings on the iPhone, then repeat the pairing. The reset clears most connectivity conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.